Hello viewers, Vivo X100 comes with 6.78 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display. HDR videos from YouTube look very sharp and color rich. Multimedia consumption is excellent on this device. This is one of the reasons for buying Vivo X100. If you watch lot of videos, then this phone is for you. In-hand feel of this device is very good. You will have a premium feeling while holding the device in your hand. The sides are made of plastics and the back is made of glass. The camera is covered by Saturn ring. This camera ring will give you an idea that this is a camera-centric phone. Towards the bottom you can see there is SIM ejection tool and charging port. Towards the left there is nothing. Towards the right there is volume rocker and power button. On the top you will get secondary noise cancellation mic and IR blaster and the branding professional photography. At the front you will get 32 megapixel selfie shooter. Vivo X100 comes with 120Hz of refresh rate, so you will feel very smoothness while multitasking or doing anything on your screen. Vivo X100 comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor. It comes with Android 14 and FunTouch OS 14. This will give you 3 major OS updates and 4 security updates. So if you want to buy Vivo X100, you are future-proof for next 3 years in terms of software update. As you can see here, this is 256GB version with 12GB of RAM. The best thing about Vivo phones is that the cameras are very good here. It comes with 3 cameras. The main sensor is of 50 megapixel OIS. The secondary camera is 15 megapixel and the telephoto lens is 64 megapixel. So you will get amazing results while shooting photos and also while videography. This device has excellent zooming capabilities. Using the 64 megapixel telephoto OIS camera, you can zoom up to 100x in digital mode. Even after zooming too much, the end results is satisfactory and you will get very good quality image like this. The selfie camera comes with 32 megapixel sensor. In videography, the front camera can shoot up to only 1080p 60 fps. This is a weird thing. You are buying a phone spending above 60,000 rupees and you are getting 1080p 60 fps in front camera videography. At least Vivo should have provided 4K 30 fps, but this is not the case with the front camera. This might be a deal breaker for many users. So these are some factors that might lead you to buy this smartphone. A lot of users want to know about the battery life of this smartphone. Normally you will get 6 hours plus SOT in 5G network and 120Hz refresh rate on. So this will be a considerable battery backup. So what is your thought regarding the performance and the factors and the specifications Vivo is offering at a price point of 60,000 plus? Let me know in the comment sections below, and if you have any questions regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. I see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.